all, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Manpreet Kaur and I'm your French trainer. So in today's class we are going to learn the numbers, which is les nombres in French from 1 to 100. Let's begin. So 0 is 0, so it should be Z. This is the correct pronunciation, 0. 1 is A, 2 is only the. You do not have to pronounce X over here, it's the. So 0, A, the, 3. This is 4. This is 5, 6, 7. So here you do not have to say P, P is silent, so it should be 7. Then as you know, H is always silent in French, so it should be with, 9, and this. 11 would be 11. This is 12. To make it more clear to you guys, I am writing that in Hindi, so that would be easy to grasp. 13, 14. So can you see till says it is all z in the end. So it is 15, 16. Okay, 17 would be 10 plus 7, so it should be this set, this with, this 9. 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9, and 20 would be when. Let's proceed to 21. So 21 would be 20 and 1. It would be where. Let me just show you 21. It should be van. Why? Why we are pronouncing T over here? Because this is a vowel. So it should be van. A. 20 is only where. This is van. Then 22 would be where the, where through, the same way. 30 would be trente. Trente. Then 31 would be, yes, you guessed it right. Trente, trente, the. And follow the same way. 40 would be quarante, and 41 quarante, quarante, the, and follow the same way. 50 is cinquante, 60 would be soixante, 61 soixante, soixante deux, soixante trois, and follow the same way. 70 would be 60 and 10. Soixante dix. Soixante dix, which is 60 and 10 makes 70. So 71 would be, yes, it would be soixante onze. Why? Because here we have this. So when you have this in the end in any counting, you will get to know later on, you have to follow this line 11, 12, 13 instead of going to 1, 2, 3. So 71 would be soixante et onze. Why ons? Not the trois, because we have this in the end, which is 60 and 10. So 60 and 11 would be 71, 60 and 12 would be 72, and followed the same way. Now 80 is quatre-vingts. You have S over here in 80. This is a special case, so just mark a star. Quatre-vingts. 90. 80 plus 20. Quatre-vingts this. 80 plus 10 makes 90. 91 would be quatre-vingts onze. Why? Because we have this in the end. So we have this in 70, we have this in 90, which means when we have this, we need to follow the 11, 12, ons, douze, treize pattern instead of the, trois. So 100. C-E-N-T from century, you have to take cent, which is 100 with a bindi. So these are the numbers, the counting from 0 to 100 in French. I hope you like the way of teaching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to share it with your near and dear ones, and do like and subscribe to our channel.